chapter, Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we must be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, Cam. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see
I
him.
bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping!
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. I'm gonna tell you a story about a tortoise.
Hey, Squirrel, come on, hurry up. What? What's going on? You know that the tortoise and the hare are having a competition to see who can carry more water with buckets they've made themselves? Wahoo! Are you saying it's a competition of speed and dexterity? Yeah, that's right. You got it. And the tortoise accepted? Sure did. I was there when the hare laid down the challenge and the tortoise accepted it. Are you sure? Sure, I'm sure. The hare wants to avenge his great ancestors' defeat in that famous race between the tortoise and the hare held centuries ago. The tortoise has no possibility of winning. I wouldn't bet on it. Hares are no smarter than they ever were. You just wait and see.
We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
The competition is about to begin between the tortoise and the hare. The two competitors must transport spring water in buckets made with their own hands. Everything they need is at their disposal, and the show will begin when I blow my whistle.
This'll take some time.
I've done it. I'm off. See you later.
Hey, what's taking you so long?
Don't you see the hare's already started?
Hurry up and finish that bucket. Maybe it's spinning now.
Hooray! I'm finished. Here I
Oh no, he fell!
Get up, hurry!
I just can't understand how he could possibly think he could win.
Tortoise is a hard-headed. Poor little tortoise.
The tortoise made only one bucket and it took him twice as long. If you ask me, he's not cut out for this type of thing. Oh, yes, he is. The race is not over till it's over.
Hey, that's not a bad idea if you want to come in last.
Where is he? There he is! He's coming!
Here I am!
Hooray! Hooray! Look how great he is! Wow, did you see that? He's like lightning!
What did I tell you? The hair's unbeatable.
I've hauled a ton of water, and I'm ready to do it again!
You're a real champ! Wait a minute! Here! Drink a little water and catch your breath. You've lots of time.
What are you talking about?
You can take it easy now. You must be
What, you
thirsty.
think I got all the time in the world? You think I can't lose?
How could you possibly lose? The tortoise is nowhere in sight.
Overconfidence can make you lose.
What are you saying? You're not absolutely sure that you can win against the tortoise?
What? Watch this. I can run the tortoise into the ground on one leg. Sure, I'll win.
Did you see that? I want to take a look at this barrel.
Get down from there. I said get down from there.
I know I shouldn't say this. It's none of my business how you decide to run a race. But wouldn't it be better if you carried 2 buckets like I do?
No, I don't think so, but we'll know soon enough. Good luck.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
You see, the tortoise is hanging in there. Yes, he's the greatest! Number 1!
What are you saying? Huh? He's only brought 1 bucket so far. Did you hear this guy?
Yes, the tortoise has only 1 bucket, but it's much, much bigger than the hare's. What's that guy talking about?
really think you can win, do you?
Maybe you're right, but the race isn't over yet.
Ah, you're kidding yourself. Watch out! Don't strain yourself. Take it easy. See you later.
Oh, heck, maybe the tortoise is gonna lose.
Hey, if you think like that, then maybe it's better you join the hares. You hear me? Yeah!
There's no reason for you to get so nasty.
He's only saying the truth, that's all.
Traitors!
Hooray!
What's got into you tortoises? Why aren't you supporting your champion?
What's the use? It's clear he's never gonna win.
Yeah, but they're really discouraged.
But why? Your champion still has the will to win.
The hare carries 2 buckets while our champ carries only
And
1.
he's slow as molasses.
There's no reason to get discouraged. There's still a lot of time left to this race. And above all, one must always support the home player. So cheer up, boys, and get behind him.
Have you seen the crane? He seems to be supporting the tortoises. He must be trying to lift their spirits. Did you see that? The porcupine and the squirrel are rooting for us. I think it's obvious even for them who'll come out ahead.
No, I can't listen to this. Darn it! Hold it! Admit it! You've made a mistake.
What mistake?
The hare has 2 buckets, and you have only 1.
Don't worry about it. It's not that important.
With that attitude, you'll never win, you dummy!
Hold your tongue. The race isn't over yet. Enough talking. It's time for me to go.
I don't get it. Does he think he's smarter than the rest of us?
You're ahead of the tortoise by 4 buckets! You're the greatest! Our champ's clinched it for our side! Wait! Please stop! Can you wait a minute?
I'm busy. What do you want, huh?
Do you know how many trips the tortoise has made?
No, I have no idea. But I bet you're about to tell me, right?
He's made only 5. Uh-huh.
And I've made 9 trips with 2 buckets. Isn't that right?
That's right. At this point, there's no doubt that you're gonna win.
I'm in full agreement. I guess I could even take a little time off and rest.
You can take as long as you like. You'll be able to erase the memory of that defeat many generations ago.
You're right. You know, come to think of it, I can't understand how one of our great ancestors could have lost a race to a tortoise.
What's going on?
I won! I did it! I beat the hare!
Hey!
I won! Hooray! Hooray!
What's going on?
Something's just occurred to me. I'm gonna be famous, and everywhere I go, everyone will love me, because I will have released us from the burden and shame passed on to us from centuries ago.
Oh, yes, it's true. You will be famous all over the world.
All hairs everywhere, all over the globe will talk of my victory, and I'll be famous for eternity. Hooray!
You'll be admired and respected greatly.
They'll write stories, make movies about me.
They'll dedicate songs to you.
Ended with a glorious victory by the tortoise. He filled his barrel to the rim first, thanks to great patience and brain power. Something you'd like to ask me there, young fella?
Yes, there is. I need someone to explain to me what happened.
What are you saying there, little friend?
If I wasn't able to fill the barrel with water after 9 trips, how was the tortoise able to do it if he only made 5 trips? This doesn't make any sense to me.
Are you submitting an official complaint?
My point is that I had 2 buckets, Mr. Crane, and the tortoise only had 1 bucket.
Point well taken. You see, the bucket made by the tortoise was much bigger than your 2 buckets put together. It's elementary.
How is that possible, since we both had the same amount of material?
It's simple, but it'd be much clearer with a practical demonstration. Let's try it. There you go. Now, check it out.
How is it possible that I only filled my barrel halfway?
So, do you get the picture there? Maybe it'd be better if we took a few measurements. Seeing that the height of the buckets are all the same, it's enough we measure the diameter. Let's check the diameter of the tortoise's bucket first. Okay, it has a diameter of 40. Now, let's go measure the others. The diameter of the hare's 2 buckets each measures 20, and what this means is the total volume of the 2 buckets is 200, exactly half of that of the tortoise's.
Guess you didn't know that if you have a limited amount of material, the volume all depends on how you make your bucket. It's a fact. It's a basic principle of geometry. Get it?
Now I understand. I never thought of it that way. I thought that having 2 buckets would be better than 1, seeing as we had the same amount of material.
The first time that he lost because of overconfidence. Now his descendants done it again. Yippee-yay! The tortoise won! Good Hooray!
And so, let's hope the hare has finally learned his lesson.
The turtle. How is the turtle classified in the animal kingdom? The turtle is a reptile, belonging to the Testudines order, which includes all marine and land turtles. The turtle's body is protected by a strong bony shell. The part that covers the back is called the carapace, while the part that covers the belly is called the plastron. How many species are there, and where do they live? There are 220 known species. Turtles are found in all regions with a temperate climate, and especially in tropical and subtropical zones. How do they live? Both land and freshwater turtles are most active during the hottest hours of the day. Turtles in colder areas of Europe and North America hibernate during the winter. Turtles belonging to the Colonioideae superfamily live exclusively in the sea and venture on land only to lay their eggs. How do they move? Land turtles are well known for the slowness with which they move. Water turtles, on the other hand, swim quite fast and can cover great distances. What do they eat? The turtle's diet depends on its habitat. Marine turtles are mainly carnivores, while land turtles prefer a vegetarian diet. How do they protect themselves? Adult turtles have a very efficient defense system. Whenever they sense danger, they withdraw into their shells. Baby turtles, on the other hand, are virtually defenseless and are an easy prey for many carnivores, including seals, many birds, and even crabs. How do they relate to people? With difficulty. Even though people keep some species as pets, humans are considered the turtles' worst enemies, not only because they like to hunt them, but also because they have irreversibly destroyed many of the turtles' favorite habitats. Can they live in the city? Only in captivity, and in any case, this applies only to land and freshwater species.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is that being overconfident sometimes makes us underestimate the competition. Oh, look who's